Welcome to the final video of the PraxiLabs question bank tutorial series. In the previous video, we showed you how students can take a quiz. In this video, we'll guide you through how a student can view their own quiz attempts. Let's get started. To begin, navigate to the Courses tab from the side menu. Find the course that contains the experiment with the quiz you want to review, then click View Details on the course card. Next, scroll down to the Experiments section. Locate the experiment linked to the quiz, and click View Details on the Experiments card. Now, scroll down to the Reports section, and go to the Quiz Attempts section. Here, you'll find a detailed quiz attempts report. Each row in the report represents a single quiz attempt, showing the start date and time, attempt duration, state, whether the attempt was passed or failed, the score achieved, and an action column with an I button. Clicking on the I button will open a full preview of that specific quiz attempt, allowing you to review your answers and performance. And that's it. You've now completed the PraxiLabs question bank tutorial series, from adding questions and creating quizzes to viewing and analyzing attempts as both an admin or instructor and a student. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy making the most out of PraxiLabs.